For restaurant executives across the nation, the $28.6 billion Restaurant Revitalization Fund, or RRF, poses a great opportunity for businesses to receive federal aid. This is a tax-free grant that does not need to be paid back. While the restaurant industry was hit hard by the pandemic, funds granted to businesses will help those who saw pandemic-related revenue loss. I want to talk more about this grant and how you can apply. The Restaurant Revitalization Fund helps restaurants by giving them grant money to use on certain expenses for their business. Funds you receive will be calculated according to the pandemic-related revenue loss by subtracting the 2020 gross receipts from the 2019 gross receipts of your business. AG FinTax can help you compile all the necessary documents to prepare for the application of this grant. To apply for an RRF grant, you must first determine if you are eligible. You must own 20 or less establishments, and they cannot be publicly traded. Restaurants, food trucks, bars, and tap rooms are just a few examples of qualifying businesses. Approved grants will then be prioritized before the funds are distributed. Businesses owned by women and veterans and businesses who are socially or economically disadvantaged will receive priority. If you are part of this group, you may receive your funds before many others. $5 billion are also set aside for businesses with gross receipts of $500,000 or less during 2019. There is a predetermined period in which you are allowed to use the funds given to you. This time period is from February 15, 2020 to December 31, 2021, which means you can use the money given to you during this time frame only. There is a list of eligible expenses set by the Small Business Administration, or the SBA, which details how you can use RRF grant money. This includes payroll, rent, utilities, and food inventory. Another eligible expense might be something you purchase for your restaurant in order to adapt to the requirements necessary to operate your business during the pandemic, such as dividers, seating, and furniture for outdoor dining. As social distancing guidelines were enforced for restaurants, many expanded or built outdoor eating areas. This, along with other expenses, can be paid off with the money given to you. An important part of the application process is proving a pandemic-related revenue loss in your gross receipts. If your restaurant was not open for the entirety of 2019, calculating how much you will receive from the grant is different than what I just described. Also, if your restaurant didn't open until sometime in 2020, your grant calculation will differ. For help applying for an RRF grant, contact AG FinTax today. We will help you prepare all the documents needed for the application. With our accounting experts, we will go through your taxes and make sure your business is able to get the most out of its grant award for any circumstance. Thank you for watching our video on the historic Restaurant Revitalization Fund. It's best to apply as soon as possible to get awarded a grant. Thousands of restaurants and establishments across the nation have struggled to stay afloat within the last year, and many restaurants have permanently closed. Because of the hard times facing the restaurant industry, a large volume of applications will be sent in. Contact us and we will help you get everything sorted out to submit on time. If you have questions about the grant or any finances pertaining to your business, you're welcome to schedule a free one-on-one consultation with Arnold Grandi himself. If you found the content in this video helpful, please give it a like and drop a comment below. For more financial and tax updates for restaurants and other industries, be sure to follow our channel and click the bell icon to be notified every time we post. Thank you so much for watching and best of luck.